We're privileged to have Yogiji, Yogendra Mishra here today. He's a yoga master from Rishikesh, India, which is the capital of the home of yoga. And Yogiji teaches all over the world. Right now he's here in the central land of Kalapa giving some teachings. Yogiji, we tend to obsess a little too much with physical yoga here in the West. And compared to the full view of yoga, physical yoga is just a smaller part. It's important, but it's even secondary. Maybe you can explain that further.
Namaste. Yes, your question is very good, very important. Because in the West, you are right, yoga is more access. Because of here people have too much energy on the physical level, on the body level. So first they have to reduce this or balance this or get mild. So for that they have to do lot of physical practice, physical asana practice, which helps them to somehow reduce their strength, energy into the body level, and through that they can transform into the further. But they should not forget to only stay on the body level, on the asana, on the only practice asana. They should have to go further if they want to do full yoga prospectus. So they have to practice, they should go into the further step. Otherwise they stuck on the body level and then they cannot get in further yogic growth. So for that they should learn more and more. People here in the West, they should learn more and more pranayama, and they should learn more vyahara, learn more dharana, concentration, and also lot of they can do meditation, dhyana, and then the real goal, real purpose of yoga is there. But only stay on the body level, practice asana is good for physical level, and everything connect with physical, connect with mental, physical, mental, connect with the spiritual, with the soul. So it's nothing bad, but they should continue journey further and further, and practice more and more pranayama, because impurity, which is body level, it can be dissolved by the physical practice of asana, but if there is a energy impurity on the energy level, on the prana level, they have to clean their pranic channel, their nadi channels through pranayama, which is only possible. Because if prana energy is weak, then the body doesn't get much strength. Whatever you do, posture or any physical exercise or fitness training, for that also pranic energy should need very clean, purified and strong and full of strength. Then you get physical energy more and more from the inside. So for that you have to practice more pranayama, breath exercise, breath control, and then you should go more further for turn introvert. So pratyahara, all your view of life or senses should turn introvert, because we should not much connect with physical or with senses or with outer charm. We should create inner charm. We should turn introvert. This is very important into the path of real yoga or complete yoga. Then you go more and more toward the concentration. You have to make your mind shut out from all worldly things to bring it one pointed. concentrate on one-pointed, when mind becomes one-pointed, then you are more able to transform your mind toward the higher consciousness. Then next is meditation, and you have to purify your mind through meditation, and then meditation, purified mind through meditation, and we transform into the samadhi. So samadhi is the last goal of the yoga, and if you reach to the samadhi, there is your journey is finished, your practices comes to the end, the purpose will be solved. But you have to constantly follow these other aspect, other limbs, other part, other practice of yoga too. Otherwise it is if you stay only one activities, you only develop on the one side, then you miss other side, the beauty of other limbs, beauty of yoga. Thank you very much.